We're live. 5 alive. Yeah, we are live. So if you can give me the YouTube link. Anyone pass off to? Oh, good man. Yeah, give me the YouTube link, please. Okay, Junaid, it's just should be starting now, huh?
Yeah, I have given you the link, uncle.
Okay, where have you given me the link? In
In the
comments?
private
In
chat.
private. Oh, good. So let me do is copy link, and you can even put it in the comments. So all the other ones they can come through that. Okay, and we give it to the other guys in YouTube or whatever. Okay. These guys have got it. Okay, Vipin, bye. Don't think Vipin is going to come because poor man, mom is gone. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yep. And okay, I'll put it in our Discord and everywhere as well. So okay, Ashish, somebody new. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'll, and like I said, the other ones, normal ones, can go into YouTube, and so it leaves like 2-3 spaces free for somebody to come in if they so wish. Yeah. So okay, while we are doing this, let us do something first. Yeah, something first in that S&P 500. Yeah, it's dropping, but I'm selling it because I was just telling you the plan before because I want to add to it. Yeah. So we have sold S&P. I've sold S&P, and what we do is let's put it in the banner as well and the plan as well. Banner, and create a banner. Sold BSSP 500 futures at 4423.43. You guys know the TP as your target price as 3, yeah. But we'll add to this as and I can't type to save my life, Need new eyes. Okay, add banner. And we can say show. Yeah. Okay. There you are. There's the trade. Yeah. So at least we got a trade in while before we are basically starting. Yeah. And you all know, I've told you, if you get the magic 3, bank it or be happy or lock it or whatever. Yeah. Because I don't want you to, what you call as, because futures, like 3-point move might sound 3 as nothing, but 3 is like $150 on one contract on futures. Yeah. And of course, you can use the level again to re-enter. Yeah. So because of course we are starting from S&P 500, so it's staying below the MOB. Agreed. And obviously, I am like a parrot. Every time I say, as soon as you see the levels, draw the line in the middle. Yeah. Draw a line in the middle. Yeah. And my idea is this band here. I think this. Need to make the pen a bit thicker, isn't it? So we can see. Yeah. So this band here, we can say 4433 and 30. I would look to sell again here. Yeah. And above that, then I will wait to put the final sell in. Yeah. So we have one sell here now, and second position and third position. Yeah. And like I said, if it's giving you the 3 points straight away, bank it. Okay. And then we wait and see, because at the moment we are in what is called as the Globex session. Yeah. All the Yankees are snoring, Yankee Doodle-doo, they're sleeping. Yeah. So the Globex session, or sometimes they call it, it sounds like a rude, like a rude word, but in the trade they call it Boobex as well. Okay. Yeah. I mean, what a name to give something. Anyway, Globex session is from 6 p.m. ET to the opening bell for Wall Street at 09:30 a.m. Yeah, that is when the real market starts, and the American data usually starts to come at 08:30 a.m. Yeah, so if we use the timings for UK, basically it opens at 11 p.m. at night GMT, and then carries over till 2:30 p.m. the opening bell. Yeah. So that is basically we can call it as the overnight session. Yeah. So this market that we are looking at, it's moving and whatever have you, futures, it is the overnight session. Yeah. The real time session, real time hours is starting at 2:30. Yeah. So in here, what we can get, keep on banking away, and then we see again when we come into the real hours as to what mood they are in. Also, point of interest in a way is that on Friday when it opened S&P or Wall Street or Friday S&P, in the first I think 8 or 10 minutes, say 10 minutes, yeah, it made the high and low of the day. Yesterday Monday, same game. As soon as it opened, in the 10 minutes, it made the high and the low of the day. So today we see, do they do that? If they do, then we got the range as well. Yeah. Says you the parameters. Just screen watching, yeah, just understanding. And you don't get that happening in a market all the time, yeah. This is like, even I was thinking, what the hell are they doing? Yeah. Any questions, anything, do shout away, yeah, do shout away, You are all at home, you are not, I hope you are not strangers, I consider you as family, so, do shout away, the good, bad, and the ugly. Sarat is not a pet. What it is the computer guy opened my machine up, he comes to clean it up all the time, and inside it at the top it's got fans, I think 4 fans. And what happened is I think one of them has not set properly or is not tied properly or whatever. So every so often it gets like a resonance, and you get like this click, 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 a bird sound like a duck. Yeah, it's, I want to mash it, but I think he's coming on what is it, Friday or Saturday, or maybe at the weekend he will come and sort it out. Yeah, so I apologize for that. Okay, but I hope it's not irritating you or it's too much. Yeah. Okay. So, everyone okay with S&P? The daily level and the workout of a rate? Yeah? So, Dow is sober a bit, yeah? But same again, look, S&P is near the MOB, and the Dow is, at the LOC nearly. So we need to watch the Dow is a laggard at the moment, yeah. But this area here, these are future prices, yeah. So we will look at the cash after as well. This 35 or 51 area is very important, huh? If it doesn't take that out, then we need to watch as to what the hell is going on, yeah, because the bias will be down. Okay. No, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. Always look at the higher time frames, huh? It's done like a quad top as well. And in the gangway, when you have a double top, you have a triple top. If you make like a triple top or a triple bottom, in the gangway, they say it as 4 and go or 4 and draw. Means on the fourth attempt, it might just slice through it and go, yeah? Or on the fourth attempt, that's it. It can't do it anymore. And if it does that, then it has kind of made like a top or the top. Does that make sense now? Does that help at all? You see, like if it goes up, first top, second top, third top, yeah. So you go first top, double top, triple top. On the fourth attempt, the fourth one, 4 and go, is 4 and go or draw, yeah, like the drawbridge, yeah. So what happens is tries drops on the fourth go. If it goes through, then it's like you can call it breakout or whatever. It can go to much higher, yeah. But if it can't break that and it leaves it, so on the fourth one is crucial, 4 and go or draw. If it can't do that, then you can say it has sealed a top. I'm not saying it has made the top forever. It has sealed a top, or it has made the top for quite a while. Okay, so it is quite significant. Where we are here is like the markets are at decision times, yeah, decision times, yeah. But the bias, I would say, from here is like go for the sell, and same with S&P 500. I told you last week or whatever. It may take not a day trade or whatever, but that trade is still running and will keep running for me. I'm looking for 4377, yeah, 4377 area and 4370 as target, yeah, but that is not a day trade. So that is my big picture bias for the moment, yeah. That's what I'm looking for, yeah. And today, if it does like a nice dropper, then we can say the roundy number 4400 plus and minus becomes. And those guys who look at the cycles of it, you can think of 4403 and 4397. Yeah, plus and minus 3. Okay, like a pendulum tick-tock. No questions? Oh, I'm surprised. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, do me a favor, all of you, put only in the comment section, not in the private one, unless you really want to have a private one, because today I'm like solo. Usually, what's his name, Nishant Bhai or anyone, or even one of you today can keep an eye on the other ones and what it's saying. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem at all. And just shout me that somebody's asking a question. Nasdaq as well, we want it to crop. Yeah, Nasdaq is a sell as well, okay? Nasdaq is a sell as well. Yeah, and in fact, because we are crazy, and we are crazy. Okay. Nasdaq, I've sold it, yeah? I've just sold Nasdaq. And let us put it in a banner as well. Banner. Whoop, where are we? Create a banner. Nasdaq futures. Sold that. Where's my Nasdaq? 15133.50, yeah. Minimum target I will give you is say 50 to 70 points, yeah. So be flexible. Minimum target. Okay, yeah. I'll banner. Okay, so we got the S&P. So now we'll put this one. So we've taken 2 live trades, yeah. And I will write here as well because I'm an old man. This is my habit. I have to write it, yeah. 15133.50. Okay, and I've told you 50 and 70. Okay, yeah. So I'll keep a monitor on it. Obviously, when I do shut it, I'll tell you, yeah. And guys, if you are happy with 10 points and 15 and 20 points, be my guest. Take it. If the money is there, even $1, and you are happy with it, bank it. Okay, please bank it. But as you see, we're lucky today. We got 2 live trades while me talking my rubbish, basically. Yeah. Nifty. Where is Sunil Bhai? Where is Sunil Bhai? Where is Sunil Bhai? Dr. Sunil not here. He will be smiling. And I don't know. I don't know if I should do this. But okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it because it proves that we are not giving rubbish. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and look here. Look, this is Dr. Sunil, and I just told him small sell bank Nifty. He said thanks, right? And look where we were, 16,344. Yeah. And he said thanks. Okay, so there's the trade and live. Okay, so it's not, and we've come down about maybe 60 points, yeah, and lower. Not bad, yeah. So those of you who come to learn the daily levels, you see how it worked, yeah. We were C1, couldn't break it, and the magic V shape should have happened as well, hopefully. Oh, what am I doing? We need this one. Yeah, perfect V. And can you see? Okay, yeah, we got our thing. And make sure, when I show the levels, that I give you all the levels, please, yeah? Then nothing is left to chance, yeah? Okay, so DAX, want to see, I think there's some minor data coming out, but nothing major today, yeah? It's at MOV, same thing again. The best, we are already Nasdaq short, we are short in S&P. And by the way, I'm not a perma bear or that I only sell a market. Yeah, many times it looks like I'm only selling, I never buy. I don't care. As long as it's giving us the move, I am equally okay to buy it or to sell it. Yeah, it is basically the feedback the market is giving us. Huh? And let's see roughly in this German, it looks like it's going sideways in this range. Yeah, it's workable. So you can use this like a double top kind of thing and sell, and then use this area as a buy and keep in that range. Yeah, if you are going to play like this, see, you can use that. Idea. Yeah. So, but I would say the bias would be more happy on the sell side than on the upside. Is like we can say upside is not that it can't do upside, but we can say it is unsustainable. Okay, it's unsustainable. The upside is unsustainable, so your bias pressure should be down. Okay. Hope I'm explaining everything okay in that I'm not waffling away to you guys. Yeah. So if you feel something, do say. Let's have a quick look at what's happening on the top one. Similar situation. Okay. And here as well, we can say, yeah, so bias is down. Here as well, we know until and unless it cracks that, it ain't going anywhere. Upside unsustainable. Yeah, upside unsustainable. Okay. That proves the point, yeah? And we can see it's acting to us as well. Oh, no, not all the numbers are here. Okay, FTSE is okay, just opened 1 hour half. But FTSE I always find it boring. So it's like I only look at it for academic reasons. Very rare I take a FTSE trade. Yeah, CAC. Even though we don't trade, even main thing is if you are trading the pound or euro or S&P or whatever, just don't fix your blinkers only on that instrument. I know you are trading that instrument, but look around the world, what is happening around you, because that can give you clues as well. Yeah, if something, say like if I'm sitting here and like say Sarat said, have you got a bird in your room? That's very good observation, because he's not only listening to me, but he's keeping an eye on situation awareness. Yeah, so it's just like you want to cross the road, but you look left and right, is there a car coming or whatever? So the same idea, if you look at other things which are going around you, you know what is happening in the world without even being a fundamental or whatever we call them. Yeah. No, nobody looks at that. Oil, yeah. Oil had a big move, yeah. Agreed. We dropped from about say 70 to 65, about $5 odd, and now we've taken out about maybe I don't know 65, 70, about two and a half, $3. We are retracing up. So all the people who look at charting or technical analysis with a blinker, what happens is our brain is lazy and we are very selective in what we want to see. Basically, we try to see what we want to see, nah? But don't try and get your mindset away from that. In that, most people will just have, oh, it's doing a sequence of higher high, higher lows. So if it gives me a pullback, where do I put my last stop? Guys, okay, let's do this as an exercise, as fun, yeah? As fun. Shout out your answers or whatever, yeah? And in fact, what we'll do is let's put a few people who can talk. Tamil Bhai as well, you can talk. Sarat, you can talk as well. Um, Naveen is not, okay. Joanna, Brownla, okay, connected. All you people who are on can all talk now as well, okay? So let's do this as an exercise, yeah?
Sure, sir.
I know that this is a trading session. This is not a learning session, yeah. But I
Yes, sir.
always try to give something. If I see something happening, I'd always try to marry. I shouldn't try to get married at my age of 64, but I always try to marry something. I try to a dangerous, occupation, getting married everywhere. Okay. So most people reading just technical analysis books, all they see is, yes, made a bottom, went up, went down, it's making higher highs, higher lows, yeah? It's making higher highs, yeah? Okay. So,
Good that your wife didn't hear this, sir.
yeah, you're lucky she's in hospital. Or I will be in hospital. I will be in hospital. I'll be when I wake up, when I wake up, I see you ward, I see you ward. The patient. Okay, so you got the sequence, higher high, higher low, yeah. So now these guys here are saying, give me a pullback and I will buy, yeah. Okay, yes, because you are not going to buy it here, are we? Yeah, you're going to say no, it is too high. Give me a retrace a little bit, a pullback, and give me a pullback, and I will buy. Yeah. So this is the people just looking at the textbook. Yeah, that I want to buy. So if we take this scenario here, where would you put the stop? Because this is your higher highs, and your lows. Yeah. So shout out, where would you put your stop in that trade? Does it make sense? Anyone?
It does.
If you're thinking of buying that, where would you put your stop?
Below the previous low.
You see, technical analysis says previous low, yeah? But if you bought it here, if you bought it here and you put your stop here, does that make sense?
Maybe we can keep it slightly lesser than LOC, sir.
Okay, so you put your stop here, and okay, so you're
S-
giving it a lot of. But you know, the people I'm talking of, people who read textbooks, technical analysis books. So they will say, I'm here to here, and I'm going to put my stop here. What is my risk and reward? Yeah. So they will say, no, I'm not going to take this trade, or they jump in, yeah, without thinking, and they put a stop here. Yeah, like you said, okay, I will even put my stop here at the previous one, yeah, okay, near here, give it breathing space, yeah. So this is the mindset of people who want to buy technical analysis book. But what happens is they are only concentrating on this side. Yes, true. Because you're looking at that and on your mobile phone or zoomed out chart, and you want that. But now what you should always do is you must find a reference point. See, reference point. See, refer there, refer here. Yeah. So you see, this was the big guy. Yeah. This was the big guy coming down. Yeah. Agreed. They were strong as well because they came down at 100 miles an hour. So you must look what happened previously. What happened previously, and that gives you an idea. And that these guys were strong. So when these guys are going up, and now we put this line here, these boys here, the sellers who were strong and they made a lot of profit, they don't want a little pullback to sell. They are looking to sell as it goes higher. So the higher you go, say, yes, baby, give it to me. You are giving me a damn good, pullback. So the technical analysis guy is looking at pullbacks like that, but the big boys are looking at this, come here and say, yeah, this is my pullback. They are loading, and then you see all of a sudden does this, bloody hell, this got hit, and what did they do to me? Yeah. But if you look at that, that gives you a clue that better I watch them. When they start to activate, I can get in a trade. Okay, make sense now? Did that help?
Yes, uncle.
Because if you just concentrate on this area, you can get done, because you watch this area, you have to watch this area, because these big boys here are saying, give me a pullback and I want to sell, and we are saying, give me a pullback and I want to buy. Yeah, but we know these guys were very strong, so if it gets around this one here, you can sell oil. And we know the larger picture in oil, we had said 64 and 63 area. Yeah, so even if it comes up, our bias is to sell oil. Okay, sell oil. Sell oil. Okay, buys you can do, but as scalp. The sell you can hold it a bit for more money. Okay, for more money. Yeah. Did that help? I hope. And don't forget, tomorrow Wednesday, you have oil inventories. Huh? Oil
Yes, sir.
inventories are tomorrow. Yeah, and also now between 14th and 16th time or whatever, the oil contracts expire to the forward month. Huh? So be careful of that in case your broker rips you off. Yeah, because many brokers, they just close the contract, other ones roll it over. So be careful. And also other ones don't just roll it over, they put a bloody charge, a swap and whatever have you. So you must do your calculation that, is it worth me doing this trade, or better I wait for the expiry to finish and then get back in oil. Yeah, Brent, similar situation. Yeah. Okay. And of course, all the Templars should know 72. Yeah, and 10 times 7 as well. Agreed? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Goldilocks. Okay, so like we said, where are we? Dailies? Okay, fine. Okay, hourly. Okay, yeah. I mean, look, that's why I'm saying that crazy move. Then we retraced 85% of it. Then we are down, and this 1735 area or whatever, we are just going sideways kind of thing. Yeah, so it's digesting a move. Well, we have to be careful in that these are the numbers, yeah. So you can use the rally to sell, and we know the 1764 area is crucial, which is very, very important as well, yeah. And at the bottom area here, we need to watch 1725, yeah. Let me even write it down, I mean, why am I being lazy? We need to watch the 1764 area, yeah, and 66 band, yeah. We can call it like our mini line in sand. It needs to hold that, yeah, for the downside pressure. And on the bottom side, we need to keep an eye on the 1725 area, yeah. So you can say 1722 and 25 as the down line in sun. If it cracks that, then you can go to the 1711 and this kind of areas, yeah. But overall, I am still sell the rallies in gold, okay. Sell the rallies in gold, and of course it will be the same in silver, yeah. We'll come to silver next. And odd thing happened is Reza pointed it out, and then I looked at it, and a few of my friends contacted me and told me as well. With this stupid move of 5 billion or 4 billion sell of 24 or 25,000 contracts in a blink of an eye here, the forex brokers, they really screwed a lot of people, yeah. Like IG Index is one of the oldest companies and very reputable or whatever. They've got the low on the gold at 1762. Yeah. Oh, sorry. 1662. Sorry, my brain. Yeah. 1662. Others have got like, I think, 1666, and it is all over the place. We can say 1680 and everything like that. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
Not only they did the manipulation, the bloody brokers used it to their advantage as well. Yeah. So now, if I was, well, I'm a cheating man. I'm a crook. I'm the biggest crook. Yeah. But I'm the biggest crook. But I have said the fire of London. Yeah. Remember, I called this number the fire of London. Yeah. The fire of London target for gold is 1666. Yeah. So if I was a cheating man or whatever, I want to get out of it, I would say, see, IG index done 1662, my fire of London came in. No, as far as I am concerned, on this chart here, when it reads 1666, then and only then I can say that my trade is done. Agreed? Yeah, so no cheating basically. Yeah, I mean, we don't look at the other brokers. They do what the hell they want with their price. We look at the price on what we are using. Yeah. So
Sure, sir.
until otherwise, I could say, hey guys, you see, I gave this trade, 3 weeks ago, fire of London, and it is coming. No bullshit. It did as far as we are concerned, it has not come in. It is still alive. It is still alive. Yeah, it is still alive. It's still alive. Okay. Bias is we need to watch. Yeah, we need to watch, but look for rallies to sell, like I said in that one as well, at the moment. And soon it is going to change into a BTFD as well, yeah. So when it does that, I will be screaming at all of you, and those of you who come here daily, I will even make sure that if you don't come here, I will find you whichever Telegram place you are coming from, and I will tell you to do this BTFD. And I'll tell you exactly how to do it. And you will buy gold, and you are not going to scalp it or anything. You're going to buy it and you are going to leave it. And God willing, I can give all of you what we call it as a retirement trade. You will do that one trade, and then you will be, God willing, and with God's help, you will be financially free for the rest of your lives. Okay? I'm not trying to make you feel good or bad, but that is how much importance we give to when not only me, I declare, my declaration is nothing. What 2 cents? If you paid me 2 cents, you paid me too much. But when my Ustad says as well, BTFD, we are both looking at the same, then take that trade. You will be set up for life. Yeah. Okay. But you have
Sure,
to do
sir.
it. But you have to
Yes.
do you have to do exactly what we tell you. You will do that one trade, and then really your lives will change in that you will have more than enough capital for your lifetime or your children's lifetime. Yeah, and you will never have financial worries in your life. Okay, that is the claim I'm making. But you have to do exactly what we tell you. Okay.
So you had told the levels for that.
Yeah, no, I've already told you a hint. The hint I've told you for that is I'm looking for.
1666.
Yeah, but when it gets there, then I will look at the action there, and then my confirmation, and more importantly, my ustad's confirmation. We both will sit down, think it all through, and then we'll say, right, at this level, on this number, we are now declaring a BTFD. When you do that, and then you do exactly as we tell you, but once you take the trade, then you just have to leave it running and just do little things that we tell you in between, and it it will be, you will keep it for like nearly 6 months, 1 year, whatever. But the amount that you will get from that trade is, you will not have to worry about your financial bills ever. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. So, and I mean, in the past we have done gold. The ladies did very well. Actually, the boys did not listen. And previous to that, we did what we call a sell of the century in silver. The sell on the century in silver was from what we call as a magic number as well. In that, say if we take historical silver, yeah,
So on Sunday, TJ was giving an explanation about the 1680 level,
is my
and the next day it
uh,
came to that level. So it was very surprising. I didn't even expect such a fall.
yeah, TJ. Tijan is my son. I know him for he's been my student for over 25 years.
Good, sir. Good to know.
But he's
So
very good.
long.
Very good boy. He never calls me by my name. Since day one, he came to me. Always he said to me, "I'll call you dad." So he still called me dad, and keeps in touch. Many have come, many have gone, but this one person always every week rings me, talks to me, and anything I ask him to do, he never says, "Oh, I'm busy" or "I'll do it tomorrow." Immediately, "I'll do it now." So he really, really, and I do respect him a lot. Um, okay, so this was our what we called the silver. We called it as the sell of the century. Yeah, sell of the century. Yeah, and we sold it at 49. Yeah, 49. The Templars will know 7 times 7 fatal number. Yeah, okay, you know all that. Yeah, I'm giving a few bits away which I shouldn't. But 49 we sold it here, and we rode it all the way down. Yeah. Yeah, and similar at that time, we had two sets of century because gold had gone to that say roughly 2030 or 2000 area, and I personally got out of gold at 1066 Battle of Hastings. Yeah, so we had two sets of the century going on at the same time. Yeah, but you can see, look, 49 to, even if you took till around here. Yeah, that is your retirement trade. You never have to trade again or worry about anything. Huh? Make sense? But like I said, when this is just we can even call it wishful thinking or whatever. But when we are ready, we will tell you. We are not going to jump the gun. Yeah. In the market, we always have to be patient and not be the patient. Yeah. Not be the patient. Let the market give us his feedback. This is called futures. We are not looking at that. Yeah. Also, Naveen, I thought you were long and then you were short and then you were long. I'm confused with you, Naveen. In gold, in that, Naveen. One thing first, you have to either follow one person or no one. Nah? Don't try to follow everybody, otherwise you are going to get in confusion. Yeah, you're going to, as they say in English, we call it as you're going to get your knickers in a twist. Yeah, be very careful. So one bias, one person, one way. Yeah, and then don't ask anyone. What do you think is this? What do you, because that give breed. I'm not saying personally to you. I mean, I'm saying to everybody. Say I say sell gold or whatever, and then you go and ask someone, and he says no, buy gold, and then you ask someone and says no, I don't do anything. This one, so you might be in a good trade, but because you are not concentrating on focusing and have belief in your own work or yourself, you're asking for confirmation from all over the world around you, you are going to have your brain which is absolutely effed up. Yeah, it will be totally like meshed up. Yeah. So once you do a trade, then you must, I mean, know when you are wrong. Of course, you know where you are wrong. You must know that as well. But you must be strong. You don't back out of it. Like, look, many times I take trades and some it's contrary to other people. I'll stick to my guns. This is my trade. That's it. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Yeah, makes sense or not? I hope I'm not. Naveen, I'm not picking on you or anything. I'm just giving an example. No? But of course, if it gets to 1764 LIS and he can't break 1764, hit it with a hammer on the head. You have my blessings. Hit him. Don't give him any quarter. Hit him. Okay. Okay. Where are we? Okay. Australian is just going sideways. Nothing to do here because morning, I woke up and we've done F2 and we come to LOC. So we need to wait, either retrace or go up and then sell. Yeah, at the moment, it's not worth doing anything. Okay. And also, look at the difference is only like about 15 pips. Are you going to trade, put your margins and everything, and trade something that's only got a movement of 10 or 15 pips in between the levels? Then you will end up with scratching yourself, yeah, or in English, like we say, you forever be scratching your balls. Sorry about that. George is here as well. I can put George on voice as well. And Geo. Okay, Euro USD, I'm long, as I explained just before as well. Yeah. um and if you look on kind of 4 hour chart or whatever, you see we got the ABCD pattern. D is coming around here. Yeah. So in a bear move, we can say the first D, you have to buy the first D. Yeah, that is not me. That is technical analysis by book by Hurst. Yeah, that was written years ago. Um, tell you a bit about Hurst. When he wrote that book, Tony Hurst. Would you believe it? He wrote it like on pamphlets of paper, and in that time, that book was, it didn't sell many copies either. Of course, when I tell you the price of that book was around $1,500. Yeah, we're talking of in 1920s and whatever. It was $1,500, and I think it had about maybe 1,800 pages or whatever. So it wasn't like a big thick volume. And at that time, if you think about it, $1,500 now maybe you might think, oh, it's not much or it is a bit expensive, whatever. $1,500 in America at that time was a lot of money, in that for $1,500 you could buy 3 brand new cars. Yeah. So Hearst, you must read. Very, very, very important. Yeah. D, so we're looking for a buy. We're fishing to buy in euro. Yeah, we don't want to sell euro anymore. Okay. We were on sale from this 18s or whatever here, and we went all the way down. Yeah, we done those trades are done. Yeah, and in fact, I can even tell you and you can look back as well. 1.1761. I am long in euro already, and you will see in the previous ones, I had said I'm looking for 1.1700. Me and Nishant both agreed on that, plus and minus, because it's a round number support resistance, you can call it as well. And I want to add in that area and add basically, in this zone here, call it the sweet spot here. I want to add here and then it comes to my 1761, and then see what to do, and we go higher. And see, by the way, if you are a Muslim, it is saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Agreed? This is how I remember numbers, by the way, guys. This is how my way of remembering numbers, in my head. And Fibonacci guys can say, oh, it's a 786 or whatever, but no. And this 747, you see my stupid way of remembering. 786 is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Oh, I can't type. Yeah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. 747, I call it as the plane, the Boeing 747. Yeah, so Boeing 747. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, this is just me remembering numbers, my way of remembering numbers. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay, somebody's put a comment. I'm sorry. Okay, Ruben, no problem at all, no problem. Yeah,
Uncle,
Prashant, we coming to look. We be patient. We got all these ones. When I do these, I give you everyone. Yeah, so nat gas will coming to us. Well, but I'll tell you one thing. You are looking to sell nat gas, okay? I'll tell you that now. You can sell nat gas. Watch to sell nat gas. Yeah, but keep in mind tomorrow oil inventories, and Thursday you have the EIA nat gas eco data in the past used to be 4 p.m. UK time. Nowadays it's I believe at 3:30. Yeah, so watch that. But nat gas, look to sell. Okay, so where were we? Euro. Yeah, Euro, USD CHF. So guys, question to you guys will be that if we are buying euro, what should you do with USD CHF at the same time?
sell.
Sell. So you're looking to sell the USD CHF and buy the other one and use one against the other. Yeah. Cable, we need to watch. It's in no man's at the moment, but cable as well is sell the rallies at the moment. It's sell the rallies at the moment. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There we are. Okay. Okay. Go to all the levels. Yeah. Okay. And in fact, I think I'll check and I'll tell you. Yes. 1.3937 cable, which I had put, and I took 50 or 60 points and I updated in this call, and the rest I had it running, I should say, for 100 points. That is already landed. Yeah, that's already landed. Yeah, it's landed. And this was just checking. There's a prior trade, so that's done. So Euro JP, same thing. C1 is a sell. Yeah, it's a sell. So we're a bit late to the party on this one, but see if it gives a pullback, can't break the C1, then you can sell it. Yeah, and obviously if it comes to F1 and can't break that, then you can look for a buy. Yeah. GBP yen, the monster. Yeah, it's a sell. GBP yen is a sell. Brother Reza listening. It's a sell. Yeah. You got your V shape. You got that one. MOB is between in target. Okay. Dorcas is somebody new. Dorcas, welcome. New person here. Whoops. Welcome. Yeah. Okay. Anybody? Somebody shouting something in private? Okay. Reza got that. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay. Boss lady, I'm surprised has not shouted. Cable we've done, so boss lady is happy. And the second one, boss lady has to shout is USD card. Yeah, USD card. Okay. USD JP is a small sell as well. Yeah, is a small sell. Yeah. Everybody getting all this or not? I don't know. Because no one is talking to me. So, Reza, just use the keep flexible in target, but target you should know in that look. All you have to do is even
Good morning.
all you do is put the halfway line in between, and when it comes down and it comes to here, locking profit. If it breaks that, then the MOB we know will be locking maximum profit, Reza. So you know the targets already. If it comes here, this is your first flexible one in case it does that again, yeah. But if it's strong, and remember we said, is he coming like me driving at 10 miles an hour, or is he coming like a lightning bullet, like a Ferrari, yeah? So that is the two things you need to watch. The speed, so it is quite perky. If it comes, if it breaks that, then MOB maximum block, yeah? And if it breaks that, and you follow it, yeah? And you need to know that here we got like a triple bottom, so you need to be careful. But that is how you do the target, because that is why we put the middle line, yeah? Okay. Okay, USD JP, Euro JP. Okay, we lost the party here. MOB didn't break, come down to F1. So it bases and whatever. And then you can take a long up. But also, can you see it is like a letter M? So this gives you a double bottom, yeah? If it breaks that, then we got on the middle line, need to watch that. And if it slides through, then the pattern changes away. And this has become like a range as well. Can you see? Quickly analyzing things for you as well, yeah. But now we need at MOB you could have solved, but here we need to watch. If that holds, then you put a line in the middle, see the line is coming there, then this becomes your first target, and see if it gets to MOB. If it gets to MOB and you can't break it, then again you do the same thing until it breaks out of this coiling, yeah, the sideways move. Okay, loony. Buy the dips in loony, okay? Buy the dips in loony and sell the rips in that, if it comes to C2 or C1 area, then you can look to sell. But it's sideways move as well, yeah? Most likely. So at the moment you can have a cup of tea, and enjoy, because nothing to do. But today we are lucky. We've done about 2-3 trades already, yes? Nobody's answering me. Hello? Somebody answer me.
Hello,
Anyone?
yes.
Okay, good. Dorcas is somebody new here, yeah? Joanna, welcome, Hatfield. I hope it's not raining in Hatfield. Okay. What was I looking at? Just checking our things. Yeah, okay, it's fine.
Okay, can you look at gold?
Gold. We did gold, but I will look at it again. In gold for you. We just went through gold about. But also, don't worry if you miss anything. You can look at the YouTube. Immediately finish. You can look at the YouTube again and again and rehear it and re-see it as well. Yeah, and please. Yesterday I was quite had a bit of a rant. That all you people come here after the session for the current session. Please, on YouTube, when it's done, can you please put honest comments? Yeah, please put honest comments. Because that way it gives me feedback or even a constructive criticism. Then we can address that and make it better for you. Yeah. And also, people like Nishat Atila who are doing all this to make it all happen on YouTube and everywhere for us, they feel happy that they're getting a bit of recognition for their work, yeah? Because, that's the least we can do, yeah? Yesterday, in fact, I was quite annoyed. I think I used something stupid words like, if you don't make a comment, I'm going to chop all your balls off, But sorry, I apologize for my wording. I think it was a bit over the top, OTT. But it was needed, yeah, because those people spend, hours doing things and not even a one line, so it hurts. It hurts. Yeah, they don't say anything, but it hurts. Gold is sideways, and we said the 1764 area we need to be careful, a line inside, and the 1725 here area, 22-25 band to break. Yeah, but you are looking basically sell the rallies in gold. Yeah, sell the rallies in gold. Okay, sell the rallies in gold. Okay. Yeah. So where were we? USD JP, USD CAD we are done. Okay. But I must say one thing, guys. I don't have a hat, but I take it off to you. You are all very nice and quiet today. There is no side discourse or fish market going on or an auction going on, or the wife slapping me, or like that. You usually get that she comes in the room and gives me 2 slaps and goes away, Sorry. Okay.
Small doubt. See, uncle, in gold, you say the view is sell the rallies.
Yes.
So when gold and euro USD are positively correlated, why should we have a contrarian view on euro dollar?
Okay.
Why should-
Okay. Who is asking the question?
So it's me, Tamil uncle.
Tamil, forget this correlation rubbish, yeah? Throw it in the bin. Gold is gold, euro is euro. Okay? There are two different instruments. Just think of it like you have a orange, a lemon, a satsuma, yeah? They are all of the citrus family, but they're all different. True, the taste is different. Same, you can think of the market as they're all fruits, yeah, or vegetables, yeah. Not even thinking market. Now, apple will have a different taste, a different growth, everything, yeah. A pear will have different one. A mango will have different one. Nah? So you can look at positive correlation, negative correlation, or no correlation. But that is just a little guidance. Sometimes it works, sometimes it is not tick for tick or anything. If you are trading euro, trade euro. Yeah, just keep a look at a little eye as to gold what it's doing. But no, if you are going to trade the euro, then you need to look at the dollar index, DXO, because in the dollar index basket, euro makes up like nearly 60% of that weight of that basket. It's not equal weighted, yeah. So if euro is going up, the dollar index is going down. And if you're trading euro, you should look at what is the name USD CHF, yeah, because that is how it works, yeah. And that you can relate it to gold a little bit, because where is nearly all of the world's gold refined? It is refined in by the Swiss, yeah, by the Swiss. And where is nearly all the legal gold, legal money, and illegal gold stored in the world? It's Swiss, yeah, Switzerland. Okay, that you can do. But please, just keep on. I know you are a Templar, so I'm telling you straight away, keep to the vulture, and you don't need to correlate anybody with anybody. That has gold has a cycle of its own. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I will do this with you. Maybe I don't know if I've done it with you, but maybe I will do it with you as well soon. Yeah, because I made Ahmad do it very quickly. If we have it here, I will show you. Look, I made poor Ahmad do these lines. Yeah.
Okay.
Cycle. Yeah, and this was the 6th. Look what happened.
Yeah.
Which is the next date you have to look, 13th, yeah? So you know already. We don't care about the euro now, do we?
Fine, yeah.
You see what I'm saying, yeah? Look.
Yeah.
And this was a rough one. Ahmad did a full detailed one. I was just showing him the method, yeah? And I made Ahmad do the, what we call as, no, not this one. I think I deleted it, yeah? I'm sorry, I've deleted it. I made him do the full matrix for it as well, yeah?
Okay.
No, I think we deleted it. Yeah, unfortunately, we deleted it. Yeah, we deleted it. Yeah, sorry about that.
No problem. Yeah.
But now I'll teach you the magic cycle of gold. Okay, that's what I'm telling you now.
Yeah.
So when you are free, tell me, Nishant bhai, welcome. Nishant bhai, welcome.
Salam bhai,
Nishant,
salam.
walaikum salam. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, Nishant bhai, I have not chopped anybody. Yeah, I have not chopped. I've got no eggs for you today. No frying eggs.
Okay.
No omelets today. I'm sorry. You'll have to have shakahari. It's called, no? Shakahari food.
Yeah.
Pure veg. You are having pure veg.
Right.
No carrots, no eggs today. I'm sorry. Oh God. It worked a little bit. Nishant bhai, by the way, I think we got
Okay.
about 6 comments. Yeah.
Oh,
So I think I should dangle those two balloons, the balls, bubbles. So
yeah.
if you don't make a comment, have a look at them. Yeah, that was the last people. Nishant, I've taken 2 trades. Nasdaq and the Snp. Yeah,
Okay.
and I've told them to add to S&P. Basically, I took it a bit early because I want to be because what has happened the last few times we've been here and no trade, yeah, because the market was there. Today I am expecting it to give some jatkas, yeah.
Yeah. So short, no, by short.
Short.
Yeah.
So I gave S&P and Nasdaq, yeah. And
Right.
in S&P, what we are looking at is we know for the past now this 44, 30, 33 area we can add.
Yeah.
Yeah? And at the bottom, we know 4411 and the round number 4400. Yeah.
Right.
So on the down move, for example, if they can get 3 points or whatever, their job is done. We can only go more, but their job is done.
Right.
Nasdaq, I've given and I've said, like, if they get between 50 and 70 flexible, they take it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I told them, even if they're happy with $1, take it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then, if you smile, smile. If you cry alone. Yeah.
Right.
And I gave Sunil bhai, I woke up a little bit late today, na, Nishant bhai.
Okay.
Because, the night before I only slept 1 hour, remember?
Right.
So, and then yesterday, from Vulture, I went off, early, because I went to see wife. I went to see wife,
Okay.
because, I have kind of like semi-bribed the matron,
Right.
I take her too many boxes of chocolates, so she gives me a call, and if the cost is clear, I can go and see,
Okay.
which is quite kind of them, So
Yeah.
she rang that I was talking, and she came to say hello, and she said, if you want, I know it's far, but if you want to feel like you can pop in. I said, I'm coming now, so I went off,
Okay.
Back at 1, and I thought I would sleep about 2 hours or whatever and get up at 3. When I opened my eyes, it was 7 o'clock, Nishant bhai. So I scrambled out and quickly. Okay. AUDJP, look, we go 1, 2, 3. You can bias for a sell, yeah, but I would say wait, because it's like making like a flag, and we've come from the bottom. So let's try my rubbish drawing kind of thing. We are here. We've come from the bottom. We're making this flag, and usually, if you do read the technical analysis book, says it goes in the direction that it came from. Yeah. This neutral law of motion kind of thing as well, yeah. But the bias is for a sell, so you look for a pop out and then the dropper, because we need to keep these boys in mind, yeah. What happened here? But better wait for the American one, just to show you that by books, what you see is that if it's coming from the bottom, then it will do this and it wants to break up kind of thing, yeah. But usually we see it does exactly the bloody opposite. True. Exactly the opposite, because always remember, market is not textbook, yeah. Market is not textbook. Market is market. It can do anything and it can be right. Finished. Then if it does the opposite, you can sue the author. Why did you give this misleading information? I'm going to the American way. I'm going to sue you. You wrote it in black and white. The Bible, even Jesus Christ, you had problems.
If only we could sue the market.
No, Nishant bhai, now you know what happens. You do account management, 100% guaranteed, and you put in 100 and you get 10,000 a week. and
Yeah.
100% guaranteed. So forget even suing the market. Yeah. And the other one is, if anything goes wrong, if you did account management for somebody and you blew, of course they blow the accounts. If you blow the account and then they go to them, give me my money back. No,
Correct.
don't. You were equally as wrong to give that guy the account management. True. So
Correct.
you were
Correct.
equally as guilty, if not more. You're
Yeah.
being
Yeah.
lazy, you don't want to do the work yourself, yeah? So you
Right.
give it to somebody else, and when that guy might be either good, bad, or ugly, or a crook, or whatever, yeah, that doesn't matter. But say the account blows, and it can blow. It can happen to anybody, me, you,
Right. Right.
everybody. True? Market takes no prisoners, yeah? So if the account blows, then they start fighting with the other guy, give me my money back. Okay?
Correct.
Don't ask that guy to give the money back. Ring the bloody broker, and he'll give you even a bonus on top.
Right. Right.
December, so no, best thing is learn to trade yourself. Yeah, all you guys, don't. The only person who can look after your money best is you.
You. Yeah.
If you can't, get married, and they're the best. Budget makers. The books. Any accountant you can get. Arthur and Young or Ernst and Cooper or Cooper Brand or whatever, KPMG or whatever. You give your wife and the accounts of your wife. I bet you they will never be able to balance the books. Never be able to balance the book. Guinness Book of Records. Okay, GBP, CHF, look for a sell. Yeah, but be careful. Yeah, these ones are minor kind of stuff, but it does move when it moves. Yeah, it does move like crazy when it moves. But we got. You look at the trend is up kind of thing, but look for a retrace, yeah. But keep in mind, but be careful. We had like a cup and the handle broke up, yeah. See if that does down, yeah. So sell, but carefully, and also even on the daily, we can say roughly, we got the letter W, put the eyes here, yeah. And keep this band, but you need to give it breathing space for down and make the line at the nose, yeah? This is your nose, yeah? I hope so, because unless you are living in Australia, like Ruben, you are upside down, yeah? So this is your W pattern. Okay, there's your W pattern, how to remember it. And of course, you can draw a line in the middle again and middle again without giving anything away. And Nishan, by without kind of giving away any gravity of the situation, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can do that as well, and you got the whole thing, yeah. But basically, you can look to do a sell in GBP, CHF, yeah. Besides all my other claptrap in it, yeah. And like I keep saying, keep telling me if I don't give you all the levels, because you've come here to do live trading and you come here for daily levels, I hope, not for my shitty jokes, yeah. So please remind me, we are not here for the comedy tour, yeah. Not you're here for trading, you're not here for financial entertainment, yeah. If you want financial entertainment, go to all the Telegram rooms and also go watch CNBC and Fox News and Bloomberg and Doomberg, yeah. Tepid, yeah?
Yeah.
Tepid, God bless his soul, nah? He always used to say, he never said Bloomberg, nah? He always, that's why I remember the name, nah? Bloomberg, yeah? Bloomberg.
Yeah.
And CNBC says completely nonsense business channel, yeah?
Correct.
And Fox News used to say fuck news, sorry about that. But at least those kind of things they used to say, you remember them, yeah? You remember them, yeah? Here, we are in the middle, yeah? Unless you see one as your stop and MOB as target, but without me now having to say every time, look at the distance and the spread. I can't emphasize to you that as much as little or as much as I can, because For you to make money, the market must have a decent move, yeah?
Correct.
Then you can either make money or lose money, true? But the other one, say the market is like this, yeah? If the market is not moving, yeah, say it's like that, and the broker says, I'll give you 1 million of leverage, you'll go for it, you trade it. You're not going to make any money, you're going to lose. Yeah? If the market does not have movement, there is no money. You are not going to do, you're going to be scratching and you're not going to make money. But I'm not saying I love very volatile markets, but I don't get what I want. But you must have at least a reasonable amount of speed in the movement, volatility in the market to do something, yeah? So you can cover your spread and costs, yeah? But if it's not giving you that, and the distance between your spread and that is unworkable, then don't try to be a hero. Yeah, better to drink coffee. Become a coffee drinker. Better become a coffee drinker. Don't go for it. Don't go for it. Even though the pattern looks so lovely, and my girlfriend told me so. Make your girlfriend into ex-girlfriend. Okay. it can't happen. No, Nishant bhai, can't happen. No?
Yeah.
Can't do it. We can't. No movement means no movement, no trade. And
Yeah.
the other one, we can tell them as well as a snippet is, you have a trend and whatever have you another, and it's a buy. You don't have to buy it or whatever. No, this is a trend or it's a buy. Okay, it may be, and for a trend to change or whatever have you, yeah. Most people say it's an uptrend or it's a downtrend. No? They forget the middle part.
Correct.
You need to have the transition phase for one to turn into the other. No? So you have the sideways end and bend kind of situation or the other way around, yeah? So we can say no movement, no trade, yeah? No movement, no trade, yeah? Second rule we can give them is no transition, no trade. Yeah? So until and unless you see a transition happening, then you can activate your eyes that let me do something. True? It will
Right.
keep you safer. Okay, I'm going to short it, but is the transition happening? If you can't see that and the burger is still going up and you're saying, I want to sell it straight away. No, wait for this burger to show you that, now we are slowing down, speed is decreasing. So we are thinking, we are digesting the move. And yes, now, okay, I got my trend and break and all this, and I got the transition. And then you can say, yes, I can take the trade. Yeah, so no transition, no trade. That is basically what you can look at the range. Be a lone ranger, because you will only be the lone ranger because all the other guys have gone to sleep, nah? Nishant bhai, because range is boring. So you be the lone ranger. Look for ranges and call it your best friend, kind of thing, nah? And, like I keep telling, nah, this is what you call kind of will do US 30. I'm going to do cash US 30 and Dow cash as well. Yeah, I'm going to do everyone. So all just needs is little bit of patience, I suppose, or me gather speed. But I'm not rushing. Basically, I shall not be moved. As they say in UK. Queen Victoria used to say it. Yeah, Queen Victoria's two famous sayings were. We are not amused, yeah, and we shall not be moved, yeah, that kind of thing, yeah. She was, if you read about her, she was a nice person, but very stubborn old lady, yeah, very stubborn lady. I mean, she used to have, I think, Buckingham Palace, Nishant bhai, black windows, black everything, na? And that's why all the fences, in London and everything, the olden ones, they were only allowed to paint it black, Nishant bhai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. She had this thing about she only wore black clothes and things. No, she was quite a character.
Saturn, maybe.
But she was, and also all the workers, like in the palace, Buckingham Palace or whatever have you, They were not allowed to wear shoes, huh? They had to walk
Oh.
barefooted because she did not want to hear a sound.
Oh my God.
She was quite a character, no? Quite a character, this woman. AUDCHF, SL, okay. CAD, JAPI, it's a cell as well, but you need to use C1, and we are at the halfway mark, MOB area. Okay, yeah. And listen, I'm giving you all these, but you, after look at the YouTube as well, or even now, while we are doing this live kind of thing, you decide if the trade agrees with you. Have you ever traded it before? You make your decision. I cannot make that decision for you. I can tell you to sell it. I can't make you do it. Yeah. Okay. You decide that. And once you do that, then it's not my baby. It's your baby. You have to look after it. Yeah. I plant the seed in, then you have to put the water and grow that plant and not kill it off. Yeah. That's the idea. And also, you know the size of your account. And we always tell you to trade small. But whatever size you trade, that is your personal choice. We are telling you to trade small. Now, you must know, with respect to your account, the size you have to trade. I'm saying small. And also the number of trades, yeah? So, in trading, we call it as over trading. Over trading, all the people keep on, most of the books and everything focus on the size of your trade. Yeah, or with leverage added to it. Yeah, the size of your trade, how big you are trading, that is over trading. Yeah, against your account size. But more importantly to that, add to it the number and frequency of trades that you take. That is over trading. Okay, both together, not only just one on its own. So if you're doing, instead of doing one or two trades and be comfortable, and you're doing 20, 30 trades, and this Zarif guy said, sell this, do this, do that, and then you got 20 trades running, and your account is, praying to God itself that please help this guy. Yeah, be careful, be very, very careful. Huh? Be very careful. Huh? Be very careful. Okay, CAD CHF is a sell, but we need to keep the middle line here. Huh? Need to keep the middle line. Okay. GBP AUD sometimes does move like crazy. Now we are in that. Now need to watch it a little bit. Yeah, we're at MOB. Let's see until and unless it gets around here, and we look, and when we look quickly, yeah, okay, yeah, this area, if it gets up around here, then maybe we can go fishing. But otherwise, no. Look for worms. Nothing to do. Cocoa, even though no one trades, sideways. Okay, yeah, okay. GBP CAD, same as AUD kind of thing. Okay. Today, guys, I don't know how many are here. Nishant by about, I don't know, 10, 12, 15 maybe.
Okay.
Okay, Sunil bhai, are you smiling in your Nifty? And please, my apologies. I showed a screenshot when we were talking at 7 o'clock in the morning. Guilty. I'm guilty. If you want, we will edit the YouTube. No? But I was telling them that we took this live trade. No? I told Nishant, when Sunil bhai, Nishant bhai asked, no? And I said before he asked, sell Nifty. No? So I think it came down straight away from that level, about maybe 60, 70, 80 points. No? Okay. So yeah, nothing to do. VIX, we needed to wake up a bit. I'm just waiting for it. This is going up, down, but down bias. But all of a sudden, I am expecting kind of situation like we had in gold, Nishant bhai, because it's his character.
Correct.
It's his character. It does this kind of thing. See what I mean, Nishant bhai? It's his character. It's his character. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, pyong, pyong, and it will start to increase like anything. Yeah.
Right.
It's his character. So waiting for that to do its usual Looney Tune business, And ideally, as a volatility index, it is very slow at the moment. It needs to wake up. So, as Larry, everyone says, na, low volatility means high volatility is coming. That kind of thing, na?
Right.
Mexico, nothing to do. No one trades it. Okay, sideways anyway. Euro CHF. Nah, I need to wait a bit. It's slow. New Zealand CHF. Again, slow, just above MOB. One thing, today what I was saying is how many you are. I want you to put, every one of you to put a comment in the YouTube section, and also write down for guidance for me what you trade. If you trade pound, gold, euro, write down that. So what I will do is, after me and Nishant will look at that, and we will concentrate on the ones that you trade. So we might be able to spend more time on the ones that you always trade, and only sporadic quick look at the other ones which you never trade. Yeah, Nishant, might make sense, no?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because we say we do like 1 hour, and the minor ones are taking up nearly like half of that time. We can devote that half time to what they trade, Nishant Pai, in detail, bit more detail in what gold and things they trade, instead of us looking at NZD JP.
Yeah.
Okay, dollar. Okay, 93 is important. 92, that above is 94.66. Let's see what it does, but pop and drop idea might come in, and then bases and flies off. Yeah. And Nishant Bhai, okay, we are Copper, Dr. Copper. Okay. Remember we had said
1.1. Yeah.
1.17. So we're nearly there. Nishant Bhai, I'm long already at 1.1761, but we want to add now.
Okay.
But because if we look, we got ABCD, Nishant Bhai.
Yeah.
ABCD is there. So we're looking to basically these guys who are not in the trade. You can go looking for fishing, now. Looking for fishing.
Yeah. I'm thinking it will go to 1.70 by, because that is a double bottom. It will cross that.
And that's why we said that the round number.
Correct.
Number, and we have said from the past 1.1700 plus or minus resonance band. Yeah.
Right.
So that is, I drew it before for them. Is that like?
And just see the daily, it will come perfect. Double bottom.
They go fishing here. Now that's what I said. They go to daily. Yeah, perfect. Look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. See, and we are at 1.17 and little bit of resonance. Yeah. You can go fishing, and we know this is the ABCD anyway.
Correct.
And Hurst, I explained. In a bear, we say, I'm not saying it's a bear market, but the first D in a bear, you have to buy, even for a pop anyway. So basic rules as well in there. But it's perfect.
Also, this will be some harmonic now by this one. I mean, I can't show it. Let me just. Can I draw on this?
No, Nishant Bhai, we haven't got any option in here for. Actually, only thing you can do is like if you log in as a second person,
Yeah.
That's what Attila did, no?
Okay.
Remember, just Attila logged in twice and then used the other one to share the screen, yeah?
Correct.
Okay, so, whoops, where were we? We were on Dr. Copper, no? And 30 minutes, okay, you got all the numbers. Okay, Dr. Copper, we wanted to signal a down. If that downs, S&P downs, because the floor traders follow that. Whether they trade it or not, they follow it, So they fuel it. Okay, platinum, no one trades. Soybeans, no one trades, and believe me, these are jumping beans. They jump like crazy. Nat gas. Okay, what was his name? Prashant asked, no? Prashant here or not? I don't know. Prashant bhai, this is your nutcast. You're looking for any rally to sell into nutcast, okay? But like I told you, keep in mind, tomorrow we got the oil inventory, so this will give more moves in there. And more ultimately on Thursday, we have the EIA nutcast results. Usually used to be at 4 o'clock. But I think Nishan bhai, they've changed the time to around 3 o'clock or 3:30 now, yeah?
Okay.
So between 3 and 4 o'clock tomorrow, watch Zakwan. And also again, with the oils, between 14 and 16 is usually the expiry. The other guys do it on 21. So if you have to roll it over, it's different. Or if you stand aside for that date to go away and then trade, you are better. So you don't end up paying what you call your broker swap fees and whatever. And also in that, if you are in a trade and it's losing, for example, and the expiry comes and they chop you up, yeah, they just close the trade off. So be careful of those things, yeah. Be careful of those things. Coffee, little pop, maybe, I don't know. Okay, little pop and MOB, yeah. But we are short from 19250, yeah. So it's there. And here now it will give a bit of hit, and then when it moves, Nishant bhai, I'm not telling them to hold it forever, but you and I know we are looking for talk of being crazy. We're talking of $70 or $80, no, nearly $90 drop, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. But we are placed for it. We don't mind waiting. We don't mind waiting. We know our area that even if it does a zoom up and comes back to 19250, we will put it back in again.
Right.
Shall add and do it again, yeah.
Exactly.
But if it keeps going down as we want, because when these buggers move, when they lose the plot, it's like, you can see, like, look, gap down, don't. This is a one, but these ones you will get like massive ones. This one, when it does on futures you can see better, but on these one we can't see, no? On Axie or whatever, no? It's limited, but yeah, when it does the moves, it's like crazy stuff. Nishant bhai.
Yeah.
$30, $40, $50 drop, na? And this gold drop we had yesterday, na?
Right.
It's I think Bocha mentioned it as well.
Gold crash or something, flash crash.
Flash crash and orchestrated in that zero, yeah. He said around 25,000 contracts went through in a blink, yeah.
Yeah.
Around maybe 4 or 5 billion, yeah.
Correct.
So how did they get filled in the middle of the night and all that stuff? So now I feel that what happened like that is probably going to, I'm expecting it to happen in volatility index, like I'm saying, yeah.
Right.
But I can also see that kind of thing happening in S&P 500.
Absolutely, bhai. I think now they're setting up for all Sunday nights.
It's becoming like a precedent, no?
Correct. When no one is watching, they're taking it down.
And also, like, they got away with it. Like, you had that, I don't know, was it the Robo Boys, or remember that crazy move stuff? They were all jumping in on one thing or whatever. I don't know, I forget the name, started with the R, yeah? Yeah. And now, similar thing they did on gold, yeah?
Yeah.
So now, I feel, of course, volatility in the index will rhyme with those, and it does its own thing, and it will do the similar thing. But I feel now the next step is they will pick on S&P or Dow or something to do that kind of a crazy move.
Right.
Like all of a sudden, like this, we said like 1 billion bloody, sell orders coming out of the blue from nowhere and hit it, yeah?
Yeah.
So that kind of things, my God, it's dropped 2,000 in a blink. How did that happen? So because they're getting away with it now, so they will try and test it, go for it. So they will rotate it to things like maybe like euro, pound, and say, my God, what happened? It's not Brexit again, yeah?
Yeah.
So need to watch that. But I think next is our Bitcoin. Looking to add to the Bitcoin today, Nishant bhai.
Okay.
The one we got running at 42778.38. Today I feel that I'm waiting a little bit, but I'm going to add a position, and on that one as well. Um, if anyone takes it, then we can give them a rough idea. Is that you're looking for 500 to 700 mark, or if you are even happy with 300 points, you take it. Yeah, I will hold it for more because I'm building it like a mini swing position. But 200, 500, 700, keep that in mind. And if you are happy, even with 20 points, take it. Yeah, take it. Yeah, take it, because these ones move in thousands. True, these ones move in thousands. Not. So you have to be careful now. LTC similar but slow over move. Okay. Same as the all same pattern here enough. Yeah. Same. Litecoin. Okay. From the past, Nishant, I got the 2880 marked here. Ripple, rip. Nah, Ripple is a slower one, slow as well. Yeah. Kroner, nah, nothing. We don't do Kroner anyway. Okay, so guys who asked before, we are here now, so we can say this is Dow US 30 cash. Okay. I don't know who asked that before. Somebody asked, yeah, this one. So these are the numbers for that. Need to watch the MOB area, and this roughly translates into the magic number in the Dow futures at around 35056 area. Nissan Bhaiya?
Yeah.
Huh? So because this difference, the cash is more expensive than that one. So they have the numbers, and we went through the Dow already that it is slower than S&P, but you can look for the bias for sell, bias for sell the rallies. And we can say it's like upside unsustainable idea,
Yeah.
And also, if we look, I think roughly if you look at long-term charts, it's near enough like 4 tops,
Correct.
4 tops. And the Ganway, we say first one, double top, triple top, yeah. And what they say in the Ganway is on the 4th top, if it does a 4th one, it is very, very crucial, Nishant Bhai, in that the Ganway, it says 4 and go or draw.
Okay.
So if it comes to 4 and it breaks, it has got the speed or whatever, be in momentum, the guns, then it can fly off. It can do it can go much higher.
Right.
Only break out, whatever, have you new territory, whatever be it, But on the 4th one, if it can't struggles, maybe little poke a test and comes down and can't take it out, then this drop here is what gives you, as we can say, it gives you a top,
Okay.
a top, or most times it gives you the top in the market. And if it gives you the top, that can stay for quite a long time, Nishant Bhai. Yeah, so that is obviously theory and being married to it. But a top means it seals a top for maybe a 1 week, 2 week, or a few days or whatever. This is like limited, But if it does the top on the 4th one, then we can say that things have totally changed. That might not see it again for years. That kind of idea. Months or years. So 4th one is very important. 4th is important. But so far we can say is upside unsustainable. Yeah. So you don't want to buy the bugger. We want to sell the bugger because our premise is upside unsustainable. Yeah. Okay, Kaina asked. I hope I explained it okay for him, and you got the numbers. Yeah. And Nishan Bank also, not that we can't say it, of course, we can say it now. Jeff is looking at the same thing, yeah.
Okay.
Vulture is looking at the same thing now.
Right.
and Larry is looking at the same thing as well,
Correct.
and Andrew White is looking at it at the same thing,
Uh,
and also our Taklu, Tomech is looking at the same thing, right?
yeah, yeah,
So maybe one of us could be right, yeah. One of us could be right, or all of us could be wrong, nah?
yeah, yeah.
But what I'm getting at is by different methods and
Right.
different ways, and not talking to each other about it, and them coming to a conclusion and telling you, I'm thinking this, and you say, I was thinking this. The other one comes and tells you, nah? So you have to say that there is something in this what you people are saying, nah?
Yeah, correct.
You can just, you are in a room and somebody farts, nah? Everyone smells like a padmari, somebody can smell it. And then everyone is looking at me. One looks at me, second. So you have to say, na, इसमें कुछ इसने किया होगा.
Yeah.
इसका ही काम है. You know what I'm saying, Vishal bhai?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, there is some credibility.
Validity. Yeah.
Credibility to the rumor, basically. Okay, so we're coming near the end. S&P 500. Okay, now we've been through the S&P total now as well, so we don't need to reparrot it. Or we can just write down SP 500, and all you guys call it a US 500, yeah. US 500 cash, okay, cash levels, yeah. So when you look at the thing, cash levels, yeah. So, and we know in the ES, which is the SP 500 futures, we are already short, yeah. We are already short first. We are short, and we have said we want to look at the band of this 4433 30 area to add in a second position, and the third and final one, if it goes much above that, then look to add, yeah. Well, same premises. Now we said upside unsustainable, yeah. Okay. And Nishant bhai, for us guys, it is S for L, huh?
Yeah, okay.
It's S for L. So you have a spiritual high, and then we'll go fishing for the low, yeah.
Right.
Somebody, I think, Reza asking solution for gold, not in public. I'll give it to you in private. I'll give it to you in private. Oh God. But I showed you, I made Poor Ahmed do the lines, yeah.
Right.
Where was it? I think, yeah, this one. I added this line yesterday, nah?
Okay.
But this is rough, nah? But
Yeah.
we had worked out quickly from the back, and we were on this ballpark of 6th of August, nah? And we
Correct.
see what happened on the 8th.
Yeah.
So even if you do it rough and you be aware, it does work, and it gives you a ballpark that now
Right.
we need to look at 13th and 14th of August. What is happening?
Yeah. Exactly.
We don't have to be on the dot and on time. We're not wearing a bloody Rolex watch, Ours is from the market, $199, not
Yeah.
$10,000 watch, We're not using a Swiss ephemeris watch,
Correct.
Where did it go? Okay, there. Okay, so we're nearly there. Netherlands, Dutch, okay. No, nothing doing yet. Okay. Hong Kong Shanghai Index, what did it do? It is trying to translate. Okay. So what we were talking about before, yeah? We said no transition, no trade, yeah? That's what we said, one of the ideas, no? So you can see this kind of idea, even though like it's not so good. Look, it came here, we started getting a transition, so you can look for a trade, yeah? We came up here again. Now we are doing, can you see? Most guys think of trend like this, up and down and whatever, but you can have circular, as well, yeah, you see? So this is your transition phase, now. So unless it breaks that, and then you can look for a rollover, now. So here your eyes should start to activate that, let me start to watch here, and maybe, it gives you entry or a trade, whatever. But you can't just say trade higher high, higher lows. I'm going to buy, and then this happens, and then you say, why did I buy it right at the top? No, right at the top you buy it, and then it comes down. No? So that is what I was saying. That you keep a rough idea in your head as no transistor radio, no transition, no trade. Yeah. So that will keep you okay. You won't make any money, but you won't lose any money. Yeah. And other one, no movement in the market equals no money or lose money. Yeah. Or lose the money. Yeah. Because if it doesn't move, you ain't going to happen. Ain't going to happen. Doesn't matter how rich you are or how poor you are. No movement means nothing. You sit in a car. If the car doesn't move, where are you going? You want to go to London. You're going to get there. You're not going to get there. Doesn't matter how much petrol tank you fill up. No, it's not going to do it. It's not going to do it.
Right.
No, Nikkei, nothing. A big drop and then okay. USD ZAR. Okay, it's a small sell kind of thing, but needs to wake up a bit. Even if you just don't look at the bars, now Nishalba is like 17 pips. 17 pips, differencing. It hasn't got the speed or move, no?
Right.
Euro Kyle, okay, downer again, slow. Need to watch. Best to watch it. What is Singapore doing? Singapore, wow. Singapore broke the C2 as well. Nishant Bhai, and right at the, and now see it is dropping. Nishant Bhai.
Yeah.
And roughly, I know it's not perfect, or I'm not an artist, but yeah, the bird with the beak and drops an almond. Ego Colombo. Yeah, Ego Colombo.
Yeah.
Then we see we get the fish and the PS. Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? So it's not very clear, but we can just roughly make our mind kind of thing. See a
Correct.
picture. But and also this is not perfect now, but we can use it that we went up. We just roughly said it's a gap here now, and then we get the action here, this top bit here, and then we get this here. So this, in technical analysis, they call it as the island reversal pattern.
Yeah.
It's not clear because we got this bit here, but you can say in your mind, think if this was a gap, this was an island reversal, no? Because you won't get perfect formation every time, no? Like what they draw in the textbook, no? So you can just say, and it's losing it, it's leaving a gap anyway, yeah? So let's see. Okay, but Singapore, I think only Eric trades Singapore, no? Faber-Castell is the new person, no? Is the new person, yeah? Is the new person, no? So is Ruben's friend, no? Ruben's friend. Okay, so guys, give you like maybe 5 minutes. Anything you want to ask quickly regarding trading or live trade, not analysis. If you want analysis, I have to take my trousers off. Yeah, sorry. That was a bad one. It just came out. I have to put a gag order. No freedom of speech. Yeah? No freedom of speech. From tomorrow we do by sign language. Buy, sell. That's it. Talking about that, in the past, the floor traders and that and whatever have you, because of the distance and everyone is screaming and shouting, no? They used to have a sign language, do that and do this and how many contract, and they used to do by signs, no, Nishant Bhai?
Yeah.
So it was quite amazing to watch them. I don't know
Correct.
what it means, but it was quite amazing that when I said that from tomorrow we will do by sign language, But
Yeah.
if you think about it, not that I'm capable of it, but yeah, they did that for years and years and years, yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So I remember watching like old movies, and then you see them doing, like Trading Places, my favorite movie, yeah. Eddie
Yeah.
Murphy was watching that, yeah? So let's see, Okay, guys, any questions? Anyone? I think somebody put in private something. U.S. oil. Okay. Um, George, yeah, give mafuta. Mafuta iko wapi? Here. Okay, we had said we want to look to sell. It came to around 68 and down, yeah? Okay, so we need to see to sell oil, and also we said also on nat gas to sell it, yeah? And here we are, and also we kind of did the drop it had was quite significant, about $3-5 drop, yeah. And I also said that most people are looking at, they never all the they are not even looking at what happened before. They're looking on their mobile phone or a small screen, and they're just zoomed in here, yeah. That's all this they're watching is this, yeah. That's what we said. This is the human brain is lazy, and most are lazy, yeah. So all they are doing is they are watching a zoomed in version, and they are seeing higher high, and I'll put my stop here, or with the recent lows, and the trend is up, yeah. And I'll put my stop here, and it is going to 72 and all this stuff, and they hit the buy button, yeah. And then it does this, and stop gets hit or whatever, and say, what the hell happened here? Because they're looking for a pullback to buy, because they're only looking at partial information, because they ignore the rest of the story as to what happened. Yes, by technical analysis, it's higher lows, it's a buy, and you're looking to set your stop below and all this stuff to get into a pullback to a buy and whatever, yeah. Agreed? Following so far, George? But the crucial information that they forgot, we said, is always look at the higher trend before and after. What happened here is they are only looking at this selectively to buy. Put my stop below here, and give me a pullback, and I am a buyer, yeah. And I want it to go to here, yeah. Okay. But this is all they're looking at, like a blinker. But they forget this whole move, that look at the seller, how strong he was. He's got big muscles, the seller, yeah. It's called the big seller. So these little guys who are looking at just a little information here is buyer. It's going up. I want to buy. Yes, I want to get in. I'll miss it and all this and whatever, yeah. And this is my stop, and all this risk and reward and whatever. But as it goes up, if you put the seller in, as it goes up, what do you think this seller are thinking? Give me a bloody gold back, and I will load up. And these guys are saying, I'll take a buy. But this guy was strong until something changes. These boys, if you reference them, they are saying, yeah, give me more. I can add in more. And then all of a sudden you see a big drop. And that is what happens, that technical analysis by limited info or partial knowledge will wrong foot you, because can you see? Toof. And you say, how the hell did the bastards are waiting for me? No, you didn't look at the information properly, yeah? Makes sense, na, Nishant bhai? Because for every time, as a rough idea, think of this, na? Anytime you take a buy or a sell, say you take a buy, just say, okay, I want to buy. Second thing you have to ask is, or the first thing you can say is, I want to buy, but what are the sellers doing? So if you are a buyer, you put yourselves in the shoes and the head of a seller. And if you are selling, you put your brain into the head of a buyer. Okay, that will help you, because that way you're looking at both sides of the coin. Yeah, you not just say I'm buying, I'm buying, I'm buying. Yeah, so you say I am buying. What is the seller doing? If you can answer that properly, then you know what he is capable of. Yeah, otherwise it's going to come as a surprise. Yeah, and sometimes the surprises come as a nightmare. Yeah, they don't come as nice dreams. Huh? It's only in movies you see a surprise party come, and you know what you call flowers come or whatever. Yeah. Okay, so guys, we have done our morning session, I think, for today. So, Marmik Bhai, okay, okay, yeah. Marmik Bhai is saying Euro USD is doing something. Okay, yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. See the round number, and the resonance in Euro usually is like about 11 between 11 and 13, huh? Between 11 and 13. So, Marmik Bhai, this is not, rocket science, but, if we say our round number is 700, so keep in mind like percent minus 13, na? Is because we don't look at one line, na? Because otherwise your patient, if he did the PQRST on the ECG, is dead, is gone, he's in heaven, Yeah? Okay. So comes to say this 1700. So this band here, you're looking at whatever. And of course, don't worry, the fight will start, the battle zone will start, yeah, commence. So the one party might drag it more and then drag it up, and but you can go fish or cut bait here anyway. You can look to add to your buy. And like I said, I am already, we know we are long at 1.17661. I'm happy to hold, and I'm happy to add in this band here, yeah, depending on the action. But yes, I'm looking to add to it, yeah. That is the crux of the thing. And like we have said, we are going to hold it for a while. It is not just for today trade. Now, if he gives us today, we are happy as well. Now, if he doesn't, we are happy. We are placed. Okay, so anyone, anything, and then we can switch off. Okay, Nishan Bhai, what we can do is maybe we can, I don't know if there's some new ones or whatever or other, we can give them the Discord and also the what you call our YouTube link, na?
Yeah.
In the comments, so they can come in. And today I think, I'm guessing maybe we got about maybe 15, 18 people altogether, I would think,
Okay.
I'm not sure now, because we don't know who is on YouTube or anything, but we want to see as many comments as possible. And like I said, it's not for people altogether. It is not for me to what you call as massage my ego, but there's bit of logic to the madness, in that if you make a comment, then one, that you appreciate it. And of course, Nishant Bhai and everybody does, Nishant and Attila do all this work and everything. It is a bit of appreciation and a value for what they are doing for everything, and selflessly every day, yeah. Sacrificing time and everything. And secondly, like I said in the comment, give a honest feedback, yeah, and even a constructive criticism. And more importantly, today, what I'm asking you is write a list of what you trade, what you are trading now, because I'm assuming you are trading or doing something. Yeah, you're not just sitting there and you come here for our health and because you like Zarif 6 jokes, yeah. So write down what you trade, and a bit like, even like if you have any pitfalls in it, just don't give a full life story. Now, this is my life. We don't want that. Just a little bit, and also what you would like to trade. What your aspirations are. That I'm trading in pound, euro, or gold at the moment, but I'm interested in learning DAX or DAO or whatever. And what we will do is, all of you put all the currencies you are trading, everything or whatever you look at, and no more day-to-day trading that you've been doing, yeah. And then what we will do is, the further sessions, we will touch on the other little things, but just in passing, yeah. We will not waste time on the other ones, but we will devote time to what you trade, so you get what you what you come here for. Hopefully more value for what you are coming for. Huh? And of course, if you are in the Discord room, we are trading all day. Yeah, we are trading all day, and you will be getting feedback on everything, live trades, and talk to us, voice chat, everything. Yeah, so you're more than welcome. We can only invite you and ask you, but rest after that is up to you. Yeah, is up to you. And of course, like Nishant Bhai knows, I mean, Nishant Bhai is here with me, not knows, he is resident. No? But say I can pick, like, say, Reza, I can pick on maybe Tamil. Those who have shown aptitude or eagerness or passion, you will be, even from Discord, we will take you to a place that will give you a once in a lifetime opportunity to be with our Ustad and learn from him as well. So you got all those options, but you have to prove to us that you are serious about what you want to do. Huh? But if you are looking for a holy grail, I'm very sorry. I know exactly where the holy grail is. I will charge you £1,000,000 and I will tell you exactly where it is located. All you have to do is find it. It is in a semicircle, 9 inches, and it is located between your left ear and right ear. That is where the holy grail is. Don't go looking for it anywhere else. You see, I just saved you £1,000,000, you know. No, because most people come, give me daily levels. How do you make them? Give me, how do I do this? They're searching for a holy grail. There is none. It is here. It is here.
Correct.
There is nowhere else. It's nowhere else. Just this 9-inch square, 9-inch, semicircle. You need to learn to use that. Get in control of that. And all the prior garbage in there, throw it in the bin. Then and first thing, say to yourself before you start trading any day and every day with a big smile in front of a mirror, I will be the best loser in the market, and I will smile. So that means you are happy to lose. Not that I want you to lose, but you are mentally saying, right, I'm happy. Even if I lose, I'm happy. Yeah. Then you will have a positive attitude, and that will give you victory. Yeah. But the other one is, oh my God, I lost so much yesterday, and today I'm feeling like this, and I really need to do this. So negativity will breed negativity, and you will have doubts. But if you say, I'm feeling great, that day, nothing will be a core to your brain or a baggage. You will be happy to do any job. Yeah. But if you wake up and say, oh shit, another day, and I don't know what the market's doing. Wrong attitude. Yeah. Main thing is you sort this guy out here and get in control of your fingers. That's it. In that, you need to connect your brain to your hand because of the mouse and the what you call clicking the mouse button for trades. Yeah, you make them talk to each other properly in communication. Then you are okay. Yeah. Okay. So, do I expect all of you who are here, new and old, straight away in the next half an hour? Nice comments. Well, no, I mean nice. Of course, I will like nice, but I mean nice in that you give a detailed one as to what you trade and what you want to trade and what you find value or what you don't find of value. And if anyone says they find the best value in my jokes, you are sucked. Huh? You are sucked. I'm scared of people laughing at me. I don't want to become a comedian. Okay, Nishan, shall we close it? Everybody, yeah?
Yes, bhai. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then, guys. Say goodbye. But today, I'm not sure, Nishan, but maybe we might. Let's see how the American happens.
Yeah.
We're not making any promises, but
Right.
if the things become, I do expect some hullabaloo today, Nishant bhai.
Right.
I don't know, not that there is any data or anything, but I have this, I don't know, like an inner feeling that we might get some jhatkas today. Yeah.
Correct.
It's like a premonition in my head that something not right, something going to bloody happen, and bet you
Yeah.
nothing will happen, yeah? But if it does and it's moving like crazy or something starts to move like crazy, then we will do a live stream and we will trade it.
Yeah.
But we keep it open-minded in that, like I said, it's just a figment of my imagination,
Mm.
Okay, guys, so somebody, okay, welcome, Sunil bhai, welcome, yeah? Okay, Nisham, I'm going to close it, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, guys. Bye for now. Happy trading, and don't forget the best discipline thing. Put the rubber band. Yeah, put the rubber band on the wrist or the nether regions, and best trader in the world in one go. Yeah. Bye for now.
Yeah,
And
thanks,
bye for now, everybody. Bye for now. Oops, somebody putting it up. Okay, bye for now. Bye.